Hey folks, good morning and welcome to RC Overdose. It's Dev coming to you, and that's my friend Mitch. And we're out here. It's a beautiful day, sunny day. We have our rustlers. RC Overdose! Alright folks, so we have a fully souped up Rustler snowmobile with paddle tires. The clear body for, it prevents snow from going in the body. It's a dust cover from J Concepts. And you guys can see 3-cell LiPo in there, deadly. And the Integy skis. So that's a Rustler snowmobile. And we're gonna have so much fun today, guys, so stay tuned. And thanks for tuning in our RC Overdose. Shoveling some snow because we had some fresh snow a few days ago, and it's been a while since we have been out in our seat in the backyard here, so we'll see some action today. Oh shit. Oh man. Oh guys, damn, something just went loose in the RC. We're not sure what. Stuff happens sometimes, guys. It's all good. We're gonna try our best to go back and fix it. Stay tuned. Alright guys, time to investigate. What's going on with the RC? Let's check it out. This man's facing all kinds of problems out here. The diff is gone. The diff is completely gone, busted from inside. Everything else is good to go, but the diff is gone. There you go. The hot racing diff. Every time I come here, guys, he has to show me his collection. He has to show me everything he has. Exact same thing every time I come here. That's Mitch for you.
The other hot racing diff I have that's got a lock.
It's all this goodies that he has.
This one's got a lockers.
That's a locked one. I think I told him to put the one that's locked, but he says it doesn't control well. You don't like how it handles? Yeah, let's go out, man. That's that boom shakalaka right there. Just kidding. without the wheelie bar, guys. Alright, so I think here we'll end the session. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for tuning in our Saver Dose and stay tuned for more content. Have a great day, folks. Peace.